I hope you're all doing great. Today we are at the annual State Khadi Mela that has started on the 22nd of January and will go on till the 8th of February. You can reach this Mela from any part of the city very easily. This is happening in the Taltola grounds of Prince Anwar Shah Road, which is very near to South City Mall. First of all, I would like to thank my buddy Shoham for letting me know of this Mela because I was completely unaware and I hardly have seen any advertisement of this. I don't know why the government doesn't promote these type of events much. But in this event or in this Mela, you can find artists bringing their art from different parts of the state of West Bengal. The fair is being organized by the West Bengal Khadi and Village Industries Board, which is a part of the state micro, small, and medium enterprises and textile department. A lot of varieties of shawls, kurtis, Punjabis, saris, handbags, handlooms, etc. to choose from. You must be spoiled for choices. And not only that, you will have the privilege to watch artists making these crafts live in front of you. Some of these also can be custom made, it will be as per the order. Cultural programs are an added attractions on holidays, and to make it easier for shoppers, debit and credit card payments are also accepted. In case if you are watching this video on the 30th of January, that is today, you will have two weekends, that is 30th and 31st, and the next weekend to visit this place. And if I had missed to tell you, the timings are from 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. This Mela is primarily organized to give a platform to various artisans across Bengal. The state government has also encouraged Taঁত weavers to weave khadi side by side to augment their income. It may be mentioned here that the Muslim khadi industry has thrived in the districts of Murshidabad, Malda, Nodia, and Bardhaman, and it has become a means of livelihood for thousands of people. The West Bengal government has also taken up several programs to support these artisans, mainly women involved in the khadi production. A Mela or a fair cannot be underestimated as an effective marketing tool capable to reach a huge target market at one go. Over the years, organized Mela has provided an even playing field in which small businesses and large ones come together to determine the Mela effectiveness. The objective of the study is to determine West Bengal Khadi and Village Industrial Board views towards the effectiveness of Mela as a marketing tool. The problem statement was that most of the Khadi units are operating under the budgetary constraints. Therefore, it was important to ensure that their objectives are achieved. It's also very important to mention that if you exhaust yourself from the energy of watching all these arts, you will have the exact scope and chance to have a little bit of refreshment for yourself. It may be a light sweet or a light snack to go, and there are many other options to choose from. Well, to be honest, I am not much of a shopper, but every time I visit these melas, I come back home with a lot of stuffs, and you can understand if there's so many things to choose from, there's hardly a way to escape. But if you know me, that I look for stories everywhere I go, so there are some artists that I have met, and there are stories that needs to be said. So I will share some of the stories with you, not in this video. I'll share them separately. For now, you can watch these videos. I am not sure how many of you will come this far, but you have come this far. I just didn't wanted to miss any of these artists or any of these shops so that you can have an entire coverage. What I had done earlier is that I have gone too fast and people have missed many of these small details. So this was my experience of the visit to this Mela. I am always very intrigued, and a lot of inspiration I get from these artists, and it's a joy to watch them make these art forms live in front of you. So if you get a chance to visit this fair, it happens every year, and it happens in different parts of the state. So wherever you get a chance, please visit them. I would request you to also support these artists wherever you find them, because they, as you know, that they do not get the huge margins that you give, that we generally give to other market players. So whenever you get a chance to buy something from them, please do. And that was it from me in this video. If you have any questions or any concerns that you want to ask, you can leave in the comments, and let me know if there is anything special you want to buy or you have been to these melas. And I just, one more thing is that there's a lot of experience and a lot of good videos that I've got from here. I'll share it in the upcoming videos, so do also watch them. So for now, take care of yourself. Bye.